Hello again. My name's Debbie, and this is
Cindy.
And we are Sisters in Stitches, and we are
Sisters in real life.
Oh, I love saying that. And we are about to do Cindy's Fashom box.
Now, last month, Fashom, for the first time ever, was a 5 for 5. In the year that I've been doing it, my first 5 for 5. I usually only keep 1, maybe 2 pieces. So let's see what this box will bring us.
Okay.
The first thing I'm going to show you is from Emerald.
This is a French terry stripe v-neck tunic top, and the retail value is $36.
Yeah,
It's a cute top.
It is a cute top.
Dolman.
I do.
If you've watched any of our other videos, you know that Cindy and I both hate Dolman sleeve shirts.
Yes. What I do like about this top is how soft it is. I like the V-neck, and I actually like the length of the tunic, but it's just bat wings.
Flying squirrel.
Flying squirrel, can't do them. It just didn't do me any favors. Right?
Nope.
Other than the color, I like striped shirts. I like V-necks. I like the length of this
And it's
top.
a nice material. It's a really nice material.
It is, and I'm sure
if this had normal sleeves, she would have kept it.
Absolutely. But I can't do Dolman. So Fashom, if you're watching, please, I have it on my style profile. I do not like Dolman sleeves. So please keep that out of there. And then, I'm not sure why they sent me this. This is from Check It Out.
And that is an embroidered top, which we know Cindy and embroidery, is $43.
And it's an XL, like a 2XL. So it's a little bit tight through my midsection. And
but it is a nice holiday top.
Well,
like you could pair that with some black pants and a little black blazer, and it would be a cute holiday look.
Yeah, but you know why I don't like to pair it with blazers or sweaters? Because of the sleeves.
Yeah.
And these are, to me, on my arms, it doesn't hide it, it accentuates it. You know, I just don't like these sleeves. And then if you wear a sweater with it, it gets all bunched up, and it just doesn't.
True.
Now, it would be, I probably would consider keeping it and sizing it up if it was spring, because I love the color. And
it's
I
flowy
love,
and just really feminine.
Yeah, and I love this lace in here. How much was this one?
$43.
So it's just way out of season for me, and I'm not crazy about these.
But I do notice through the holidays, people wear shirts that you would think would be for spring and summer, because they pair, you know, if they're the right color for the season, they just pair them with other things.
Right.
So during the holidays, you can get away with those kind of shirts.
Yeah, and I probably would. These sleeves, though, they just get bunched up in a sweater. So for that reason, I'm not going to keep it, though. I love the color, and I love the lacing up here. And then I am an animal print girl, so when I saw this and I picked this for them to put in my box, I was excited about it. And this is from Chris and Carol. I've been getting a lot of their stuff.
$49, but guess what?
Well, it's a shorter shirt.
It's a Dolman sleeve.
It's another. Look at me. I'm like a flying squirrel. What is it about Dolman sleeves? I don't know what figure can wear them, honestly.
I do. Really thin girls. Because then the Dolman, when they move, it kind of just hangs. It doesn't spread out like a bat wing.
It doesn't tighten up.
So Dolman sleeves on the right person are very attractive. Just not on us.
Right. And so I thought this was a unique. I thought, okay, a pink kind of animal print top, and it's very soft. Like
I love the gray in the print. You know me and gray.
So what would you say? This is a. Let me see what the material is on this. I know a lot of you always
It's so
ask.
soft.
It is really soft. And I like Chris and Carol. I've been getting a lot of their stuff. It is 88% polyester, 8% rayon, and spandex. So it's a soft top, but...
Doesn't spandex sound like an 80s or 90s word?
Yeah.
Spandex. You hardly hear that anymore.
So this top is going to go back as well. Not because I didn't like the print, but because of the Dolman sleeves, and it's a little bit too short for my comfort. So when you raise your arms, everything comes up. You don't want to see what's underneath the top.
Make sure you got your belly button ring in then.
What?
Here, make sure that belly button earring's in.
Now I did not pick
belly
out
button ring, belly button earring.
Oh, here's another Chris and
I
Carol.
just sound cool and I just sound like an idiot.
Here's another Chris. It's like my third Christmas Carol top in this. And this is not what I picked out.
This is their striped baseball top, and it retails for $39.
Okay, this looks like more like jammies to me.
I thought this was. I thought, oh, nice. They sent you a PJ.
A nightgown.
A nightie. Because this would be really cute as a nightie.
But it's a little too short to be a nightie. And
now, you throw it on with a pair of red tights. Perfect.
Yeah, depending on... It would look good on you because Debbie's more narrow where I'm more wide. But it's just way too long. It's too long for me to wear for a top. Too short to wear for a nightie.
I would wear that for a nightie. I'd kick the tights off when I go to bed. But
what?
$39.
So it's just way too long for me.
But I'm tall, and that came down past my crotch.
And would you spend $39 on a nightgown?
Not on a nightie, no.
No, exactly.
I will on a pretty nightgown, but not on a baseball top.
Yeah, so this top just did nothing for me. Way too long.
I thought these pants on Cindy, she had put them on, and I was walking into the room to film. I had come into the kitchen to get something to drink. I come back, I thought she was naked. Those pants in the room I was filming in, she looked naked.
So these are like a dusty rose, straight length. It's above the ankle.
They look like flesh tone. I'm not kidding you.
And you can see every bump, lump, and roll.
Yeah.
And if I had a bruise, you'd probably see the bruise through the pants. That's how they...
You would have. But truly, I thought she was naked. I'm like, Cindy, those windows are open. You can see in.
Now, and I thought, why would they send me this color in the winter? But it is a little bit heavier knit or heavier, pant. But I certainly don't want to go walking outside and have people looking at me because
she's naked.
Yeah, it's like, wow, that's a really short
dress. But this color, I've seen this color in. Yeah. People wear it with black and black boots, and I've seen it worn in the winter. So it is an appropriate pant to put in the box. It's just not on her.
Yeah, and this is a size 18W, so maybe I would size up to a 20W.
No, because she's losing weight. I refuse to let her size up in pants because Cindy is back on her diet, and she is going to lose the weight. And if you start buying bigger jeans, then you'll never get to where you want to go. So no, you are not sizing up. You're sending them back. Right? I'm right, ladies? Put them back. You've got a mortgage now, sister. Yeah. So anyway, if Cindy were to keep all of the clothing, the box, excuse me, I'm just getting over a week after getting over a cold, but I still have that little raspy cough. If she kept the whole box, it would be $209. If she kept all 5 items, which she'd get the 30% off, so that would take off $62.70. So the box price point comes to $146.30, which isn't a bad price for 5 pieces of clothing. However, you gotta like the clothing.
And, there wasn't anything. I think if those rose-colored pants were a little bit thicker, more of a jean material instead of a pant material.
Yeah, I still didn't like them on you.
No, I know. But if they were thicker, they might have looked better. But, so unfortunately, Fashom, I'm sorry, but I am not keeping anything in this box. And I do lose $20 because there's nothing in the box that I would keep. I mean, it had potential, but... So, but that's okay.
Well, I could take that baseball top because I would sleep in that, and then you're getting your $20 back. No. All right, I was just trying to be a nice sister.
I know.
She's had a really rough couple of months here, so I don't want her to lose the money, but...
Yeah, that's okay. I would rather lose the money than spend another $20 to get something I really don't want.
Yeah,
so,
that's true. That's true.
I paid $20 for the experience.
She paid $20 so we could make this video for you.
There you go.
See, we are monetarily invested in making you guys laugh.
Is it working?
Do weigh in. I have to say, though, all the comments as of late have been so uplifting and so warm and thoughtful and funny.
We need it. Desperate.
I don't think we could handle a really bad comment right now. We've got so much going on in our lives.
So don't leave any.
Yeah, I mean, that's for another video, and I'm sure if you've watched our videos, you kind of know the different scenarios we're dealing with, but Cindy is holding the brunt of it because my brother is living with her right now, who is losing his battle with cancer, so this is her little escape for a couple hours.
So thank you for allowing me to come into your homes and listen to us ramble because
and you are
it is my escape.
You're gonna.
All right, so we're gonna get going. We've got a lot of fun boxes coming up. Stay tuned and hit that notify bell, hit that subscribe bell because you want to stay tuned. So
yeah, we want to get to 3,000 by January 1st, New Year's Day. We want to be at 3,000 or surpass it. So if you can get anybody to subscribe for us, we really appreciate it. Have them watch some of our videos if they need a laugh or someone to make fun of. I don't know.
It doesn't matter. Just
doesn't matter to us. Just subscribe. So we will see you in the next video in about another 5 minutes.
All right.
Bye.